For safe aerosol spray can recharging, choose an air compressor that gives controlled, dry, low-pressure delivery rather than raw, high-pressure output. Use a small pancake-style compressor with a 6-gallon tank and 150 pounds per square inch maximum working pressure, paired with a good regulator set to the lowest effective pressure for the can. Before you connect anything, confirm the can valve and adapter are compatible and free of damage, and always wear eye protection and gloves. Install an inline moisture trap or use a desiccant filter so only dry air touches the can, because water inside the canister can cause inconsistent spray and internal corrosion. Set the regulator to no more than 40 to 60 pounds per square inch for common consumer aerosols, and increase pressure only when the can manufacturer specifies otherwise. Purge the hose briefly away from people to clear trapped pressure, and watch the can for any bulging or heat buildup during filling. Stop immediately if anything changes. Work outdoors or in a well-ventilated area, and keep a fire extinguisher nearby since propellants can be flammable. 3 common mistakes are using high tank pressure without a regulator, neglecting moisture control, and rushing the fill process. The first is solved by always adding a reliable regulator and pressure gauge and setting pressure to the can requirements. The second is fixed by fitting a quality inline moisture trap or desiccant cartridge and draining the compressor tank regularly to prevent water carryover. The third is avoided by filling slowly in short bursts, while monitoring can temperature and stopping when the can feels cold to the touch, which indicates it is approaching full charge. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and gives contractors a place to list their services so projects find the right people. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips and real-world experiences about tasks like safe aerosol recharging.